Luke and Dustin back at you again. Project 22 coming up. So for this project, the specification was that we had to connect a button to the servo motor, and each time you hit the button, it'll increase by 10 degrees up until 30-degree difference, and it'll come back to 0. And then when you press it again, we'll show you. So in the demonstration, we have ours. So hit the button once, goes 10 degrees. Hit it again, goes again. Hit it again, goes again. And then we click it a fourth time, it goes back 10 degrees, back 10 degrees, back 10 degrees. And then it just repeats, comes out again, goes back in. Yep, that's pretty much our project. So here you can see the flow chart. We define the variables: switch state, angle, previous switch state, and counter. We set up the connection between the servo and the board. Set the switch state equal to the pin 6 input, as you can see right here on our board, right there. And then we ask the question, is the counter between 0 and 3? So when we hit it once, it's still between 0 and 3. So you come over here, yes, increase the angle by 10 degrees. So that's why when you hit it once, twice, and 3 times, the angle increases by 10. And then when it's between 3 and 6, so when you hit it the 4th, 5th, and 6th time, it decreases by 10 degrees back to 0. So that's kind of what I'm just saying here. And then we set the counter. If the counter equals 7, we set it back to 0. So then the whole process can start over again. Previous switch state equals switch state, delay, loop it back through, and the whole thing repeats again. So that's pretty much our project 22.